Okay, there are the raw components. That's the paper weight to be stripped. That's saw cutting. That's when it's mulched all together, mixed up with an electric drill. This is the contraption. It's essentially a big lever and compressor. You'll see how it all goes together now in a second. And then there's 3 tube components. Okay, and what you'll see there is that's the plunger, and then an axe, because you always need an axe. Tube with perforations in the bottom to let the water out. It goes in here. The mulch essentially pushed into the tube loosely. Essentially this will all be compressed together when all the water is pushed out. So this is the paper wood mixture. That's about enough in there now, so just have a quick look in there. Now, this is the plunger, which will be put in. The initial excess water just squeezed out. Okay, that allows me just to get the initial sort of piston down as far as I can start off with. Then this is where the lever comes in. I'll put this tube on there, and this will hook under there and then effectively form the compression. With that, the water will start to be squeezed down the bottom. So it's compressed as much as it can go now. Up here for a second, have a look at this from this angle. Out. Pushing this down. And now, most of the water should be out of it. And I can't push it down any further. And now we've got to get the compressed block out of there. So I'll lift that up. Pull that out of there. Now that's where this bit's come in now, which is a split tube and a connector. Now what I'll do is I'll put that in there, and the compressed block, which is there, will be squeezed into the split pack. Alright, a split tube. This is where the axe comes in. That's that. So now it's squeezed into the bottom part of the tube. Take that out. So now the block is in this. And to get the ring off, I'll just put that in here, pull it off, and then there's one of those. Alright. There's the current crop, and that's the final destination.